Hi guys, if you are using provider for state management and you face this long type of error that depend on inheritance widget of exact type inherited provider scope. This is because the provider is called before the widget build is called. So this is because in the init state you did when you call provider as I created counter provider and you did not add the argument listen to false. So because of this, that you did not give the argument of listen to false. So the provider is always called before the build widget, and you will face this type of error. So you can simply remove this error by adding the listen argument and give its value to false. So after giving its value to false, this error will be removed as I reload the app, and after reloading the error has been gone. So you can remove this error by adding listen argument and set listen value to false. Thanks for watching.